Okay, this is another real quick little video on the stock clutch pusher versus the upgraded Chariot pancake bearing. One thing I have a lot of guys say is they strip out the middle of this when they're trying to adjust it by holding back up. You don't have to hold back up on that center screw. That is for adjustment. When the nut is loose, all that's for is so you can screw it in or out. You can this pusher locks in this plate. You can jam it tight, see there, without holding it. So now I'm going to show you guys the order of the pancake bearing, because a lot of guys ask how it goes. So I'm going to pop this stock one out real quick. And this will be in the 4mm video too, but I'm just doing this right now because this is asked kind of frequently. I have a video on how the stock one goes, but I don't have one on how the pancake goes. Alright, so now the stock one's out, and you're going to get your pancake bearing. Here I have it all laying apart here on the bench. And the way that it goes is you have your pancake bearing like this. This part facing up, away from your hand. You're going to have a washer, your actual pancake bearing, another washer. Then you put it directly through the pressure plate, and you put your nut on it. That is the correct order right there. That's how it goes.